Simple steps to help you better understand make money online. Every time you read comments on a blog, news video and other online media, there are bound to be a few comments about how to make money online. However, the safest and most lucrative ways to make money online are not advertised so frequently. Keep watching to learn about legitimate ways to make money online. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Make sure that you prove your identity if you plan to make cash online. To get started working online, you will have to give personal information. If you do not yet have digital versions of your personal identification documentation, get them ready in advance to smooth out application processes. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. As stated above, you have probably seen many offers on ways to make money online. Most of these opportunities are actually scams. But, there are tried and trusted ways to make money online, as well. Follow the tips listed above to find the work you need on the internet. Student loan.